the red subscribe button to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our next video. Hey guys, it's me Electro. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys rewiring and maintenance of your PL light fixture. So this is my light fixture from Chris Light Company. It's around 15 to 20 years old. It was stock in this house, before construction. So first let's remove the bulb, and I'm gonna change all the wires and we'll unscrew the whole frame, each and every part. The cover, the ballast, you know, the reflective shield kind of thing, the holder. It's yellowed. I think it will break. Let's see. Oh my god, what's the catch? This can. This is a small and rare choking. It's awesome. So yeah, setting up all the screws. Now we need something like Mr. Muscle, which we'll use to clean our fixture to good condition. Because this is old. This is not clean since day one. I think I cleaned it once, that to outer buffing, not more than that. So take a small piece of cloth or something, a good rough cloth, and clean it so it will become white. I can't spray paint this. I'll do it sometime later. So let's go a bit faster in cleaning. So now we'll take the main cover for the ballast or choke. It's small, but you can see the dirt in there is collected. Outer cleaning is good, but this dust also, it's not that easy to say. And I think this wasn't used since last year. I just used it in the light fixture rewiring video, and after that it's stored, and today I'm removing it and rewiring it. So I have this small piece of wire which is good enough for working on this light fixture, because this is compact and it's not like you need a meter wire or something like that. Simple job. And yeah, I'll also post the wiring diagram for this right now after I finish the wiring. So this is like a two-step wiring, that's it. And yeah, now I'll post the wiring diagram. So yeah guys, this is the connection diagram, and this is pretty simple actually, from holder to supply and ballast, all that. So now let's start assembling the fixture. I think I missed a clip in between somewhere. And yeah, searching for screws in a Herculean task. It's good if you have a magnetic screwdriver side by side. It's gonna help you a lot. Very helpful. So now let's assemble this fixture. Perfect. The last time it was loose and it's dangling everywhere, all the parts. Now this is gonna be tight. So yeah, now this thing is ready for testing. So let's turn it on. 3, 2. These small wires, sometimes I think I should upgrade. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, see, it runs. It's on the original bulbs. So now what I'm gonna do is, let's see how much brightness this thing is. I think this is 18 watt PL bulb. You can see, it's bright enough. Yeah, that's the hole for routing the cable, in case you packing it tight. So now let's turn this thing on, and now I'm gonna switch off the lights in the room and see the amount of brightness this light alone gives. So yeah, you can see, it also eliminates the high speed fan. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video.